Next up tonight, 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Box break number 7. Aaron S. leading it off again. Cubs and Rockies. Andrew H. Indians, Royals, Mets, Pirates, Cardinals, Blue Jays. Brandon L. Tigers, Astros, A's, and Padres. Double dribble. Brett T. Diamondbacks, Phillies. Chris P. Angels, Twins. Gerald B. Red Sox, Rays. Jeff R. has Reds, Dodgers. Robert S. with the Braves, Brewers, Giants, and Mariners. And Rolando, Orioles, White Sox, Marlins, Yankees, Rangers, and Nationals. F-Zero. Damn. Good call. Will knows his 90. Will, you're a 90s. You must have been born the same year as me. You must be my exact age. F-Zero. F-Zero was awesome. Oh. Heroes of Gaming. I've actually been looking at on eBay for like Nintendo 64 complete game libraries. I have my 64 still, but it's kind of broken. Night, Jules. Uh-oh. Wait, Jules, before you leave, this is a booklet. I'm calling a booklet on that. You want to see a booklet? Star Fox. Yeah, don't even get me started on Star Fox. Good luck. Ivan Rodriguez, Mike Schmidt, Josh Hamilton. We got a Ricky Henderson green. I think someone's about to get a booklet. And Nick Castellanos. Is Nick Castellanos in 14? I didn't know he's in 14 Museum Collection. 269 of 299. I'm 34. I'm exactly 34. Turok. Jeez. Jim Rice, Alex Cobb, Prince Fielder. You got a Bryce Harper Brown. And Jurickson Profar, 344 of 399. Hold on for the fat pack. Goldschmidt, Tulowitzki, and Dubront. And then we got a Mike Zunino Blue to 99. And Mike Leake. Primary pieces patch on the upper left with some jersey relics. 2 of 75 for the Reds. Let's see what this is. I don't think it's another framed auto. Didn't we already hit the framed auto? Yeah, it's a booklet. I should have just stuck with my instinct. It's a booklet. You guys ready for a booklet? You deserve a booklet. Didi Gregorius, Mark McGuire, and Steven Strasburg. The back card is a Wade Miley Brown. Here it is. Oh, okay. Okay. It is a Nomar Garciaparra, Dustin Pedroia, Momentous Material Dual Bat Relic booklet. 4 of 5. Zelda, yeah, of course. All right, well, interesting. I didn't actually know they had 2 Bat Relic things like this. 2 Bat Relic booklets. Still a nice booklet. 4 of 5. It's heavy, too. All right, cool. Gotta check the back of these art cards now. I'm always worried I'm gonna miss them. You scared the bejesus out of me.